Hi everybody, in this video we are going to discuss the topic that is one of the most important, which is how to make our PC or laptop more faster. Like my PC is 12-year-old and this is too much slow work. But how you with me can also improve the PC performance. For this, we have to come to the CMD command first of all. If you don't know, then just press Ctrl plus R, or if you want to open it administrator, then just come to the computer, then type, then open it. Okay, now we have opened our CMD command as our administrator. Why in administrator only? Because sometime in without administrator, the system don't allow some changes. But now we can do any change. So I started writing the CMD prompts. The first one is /f space /s /q then temp. So it will delete all the unnecessary file and all the cached file that we sometimes don't know. Now see, with this prompt, we are not only get the file but also it is automatically deleted them. Now the next one is not stop and then the word. This is for stopping the Windows update. Since I was already stopped it, but you may sometimes say that it will be a fake one, like it is not working. So I will show you the opposite one. This will for starting the Windows update. I am typing the same one, that is not start Windows. So now the Windows update is started, as you can see on the screen. Now again I type the code that I was written firstly, because actually I don't want to update my PC too much time, because this will directly affect my PC and slow down the speed. Now listen carefully. The upcoming command is the most amazing, most dangerous command. I have typed the command, and this is the command that will automatically find the all of the malwares, catch files, unwanted files, old files, and then put them to delete. Now I it takes too much time, so I was closed that one, and now I want to show you one more CMD. But be careful, because the earlier command is too much time taken, so you don't have to be panic. Now the upcoming command is amazing. What this will do, this will do for your processor work. It will find the cache file that will stop or slow down the processor, then it will delete them, or you have the chance. Then you can see I have typed in the command and this will done. So in this way, this also gives the time and the other things that which will be required while deleting processors file, because they are too much important. Now the next one is uh, scats query, and this is amazing. Like this, what will do, this will automatically delete all the unnecessary apps or unnecessary malwares and updates that is happening in your Windows without for any work. So these are the CMD prompt that are amazing. And not only this, but I'm going to show you more and more till this will improve your PC performance. And you don't have to be panic, because I am personally tried them, as you can see on the screen. Now we are going to say bye bye to the CMD commands, because from now we are going to discuss some inner settings of the Windows. First of all, you have to press Ctrl Alt then Escape. This will open the task manager. Here you can see the task that is consuming a lot of memory, a small amount of memory, and some unwanted task also. From here you have just press to right click and then remove it. Now here is performance section. Here you can see the processor, memory, etc. Thereafter the app story, then the startup. It is one of the most important while you are turning on the PC. Sometimes our PC don't work faster because of them, because they are opened when automatically we open a PC. So stop and disable all of them. Here we can see all of the settings in task manager. Here now you have to come to the settings. I will show you more and more things. There we have to come to the power sleep. Here you can see performance and energy. Here if you want the maximize battery life, then decrease to the performance mode, and the maximum performance, then increase it. Thereafter the storage section, it is created by the Windows amazingly, because you can see all the files, all the apps on the one place. Here if you want to see that some apps are you are not using, you can uninstall it, and you have to turn on the storage sync. Now if you are want more performance, then you can also be able to turn off all the animations. For this, come to the settings, then again in the system, and then you have to come to the about section. Here you can see advanced settings. Here you have to click, and there you have to see the advanced step. Then on the settings you just have to click. Here we can find all the animations. I have turned off all the one, but if you want to maximize look, then you can also allow all of them. But since I want maximize performance, so I disagreed and cancelled all of them. Thereafter, the officially app comes with the Microsoft, that is PC Manager. It is amazing and directly boost your PC in the time when you are going to use it. Here you can see I am boosted. So it will what do? It will deletes all the cached file and refreshes the memory. Here you can start the smart booting settings and the dark mode, light mode also, and the other settings, some minimal settings also. Here you can allow or disagree. Thereafter we have to come to the home. Here you can see that we are able to boost our PC in real time. Thereafter we can find a lot of options like health check, process, startup, deep sleep. So they are best because I will show you one of them, that is health check. Now you can see I have clicked and it was finded all the apps, all the files that I am not using and recommended to uninstall. Since I don't want to install my apps but I want else of this, I was clicked and then start deleting, and in a second it is deleted all the unwanted files from my PC without searching manually. And this is the work done by the PC manager. And I'm going to again tell you that it is the amazing and official app by the own Microsoft, and you can find it on Microsoft Store. So now here are some basic tips that you can use. Now we meet in another video. Till then, subscribe.